Can I actually protect myself from all these AI threats online? I'm about to find out. Online AI threats are everywhere, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. We're constantly connected to the internet, and that makes us potential targets. The goal of this video is to help you understand these risks and learn how to mitigate them. AI threats come in many forms, and they're getting more sophisticated by the day. Deepfakes, for instance, are AI-generated videos or audio recordings that can be incredibly convincing. Imagine receiving a video call from a friend or family member, only to find out it's actually a fake. These threats are particularly dangerous because they're hard to spot, and they can be used for everything from identity theft to spreading misinformation. Then there are AI-powered phishing scams. These are emails or messages that seem to come from a legitimate source but are actually designed to trick you into giving away sensitive information. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to create highly personalized and convincing messages. This makes it even harder to distinguish between genuine and fake communications. AI-powered scams are another major concern. These can range from fake investment opportunities to AI-generated robocalls. The common thread is that they use AI to manipulate and deceive. What's especially worrying is that these threats are constantly evolving, making it harder for traditional security measures to keep up. To identify and protect yourself from these threats, you need to be vigilant and proactive. One key strategy is to verify the authenticity of any message or communication you receive. Look for red flags, such as spelling mistakes or unusual requests. When it comes to deepfakes, be cautious with video or audio recordings that seem too good, or bad, to be true. Another crucial step is to keep your software and security systems up to date. This can help protect against known vulnerabilities and threats. You should also be careful when sharing personal information online, and consider using two-factor authentication whenever possible. When encountering suspicious messages or communications, take a moment to assess the situation. Don't rush into making a decision. Instead, ask yourself if the message seems legitimate and if it's asking for anything unusual. Lastly, trust your instincts. If something feels off, it probably is. Don't hesitate to reach out to the relevant authorities or experts if you're unsure about a particular threat. Let's look at a real-life example. A few years ago, a major company was targeted by a sophisticated AI-powered phishing scam. The attackers used AI to create emails that looked like they came from the company's CEO. The goal was to trick employees into transferring money into a fake account. This case study highlights the importance of being aware of these threats and taking proactive steps to protect yourself. One crucial insight to take away is that AI threats often rely on emotional manipulation. For instance, a deepfake video might be designed to elicit a strong emotional response, such as fear or anger. By being aware of these tactics, you can better protect yourself and stay one step ahead of the attackers. To stay safe online, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to the evolving threat landscape. By being proactive and vigilant, you can significantly reduce your risk of falling victim to these threats. In summary, protecting yourself from online AI threats requires a combination of awareness, vigilance, and critical thinking. Stay informed, keep your security systems up to date, and always verify the authenticity of communications. If you've had any experiences with online AI threats, share them with us in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more cybersecurity tips and advice. If you're interested in learning more about online safety, check out our video on how to spot and avoid common online scams.